आनंद में रहने का अधिकार तुम्हारा है. Don't miss out that authority on yourself. Don't give your life's remote control to the peoples and the situations that surrounding you. That they had pressed the button and your face like emojis changes on your face. Don't change your face emojis. Don't change your face live because someone is pressing the button and changing your mood. Really? Be strong enough that I myself control my situations, I myself control my adversities. This is not the ego. This is the equilibrium. This is called positivity in adversity.